afternoon, everyone. I'm Edward Persichetti.
And I'm Anthony Civigliano. Welcome to Wolf TV, the news of Thursday, April 21st, 2022.
If you're a student looking for a job or exploring what could be your future career, look out for the annual WHS Future Center Hiring Fair, starting on Tuesday, April 26th, all the way through to Thursday, April 28th. The event is live this year and runs from 11 a.m. through 1 p.m. each day.
There will be a part-time and summer job opportunities for ages 14 and up, and full-time jobs for our soon-to-be graduate. Different employers will be here each day, so students should check out the daily schedule available on the Future Center website. The hiring fair is available to all Westy students, so don't miss out on this opportunity to connect with potential employers.
Right off the bat, the baseball team has an away game at Far Northeast High School tonight. Varsity steps up to the plate at 4 and JV starts at 5:30. Make sure to wish them good luck. You can also catch them playing against Adams City here at Wolfpack Park this Saturday. Come out and support our baseball team. JV starts at 10 a.m. and varsity takes them out at noon. Don't miss it. This Saturday, track and field crew heads to Jeffco Stadium to participate in the Dakota Ridge Invitational. We know you guys can run away with a win. Good luck. Also, this Saturday, the boys JV volleyball team travels to Grandview for the JV Grandview tournament. Good luck, Wolves. That's it for sports. Back to you.
Jeff Dennis and the IB department want to congratulate the Westy IB art seniors for an amazing job they did at their annual IB Senior Art show last Friday. These students have worked diligently for the last 2 years producing college-level artwork to curate this show. The artists did an incredible job displaying and articulating their hard work over the last 2 years. You can check out this impressive collection of artwork on the second floor on the ESC reception area until the end of this week. Congratulations once again, seniors, and visit Mr. Dennis in A122 to find out more about what you can do to join the IB program.
This week's Bad Dad Joke of the Week will get you in your fields, especially you mathematicians.
Hey, Miss Kate, guess what? My kids are learning about parallel lines, and they love it because they both point in the same direction, both lines have infinite points, they both have the same slope, but there's something sad kind of about them.
Mr. Yohnka, it sounds like a perfect pair. What's so sad about it?
So even though they have all those things in common, they'll never meet.
Aww.
It's so bad.
You can have lunch with industry professionals at the ACEC Classroom to Career Symposium at MSU Denver. While there, you will engage with relevant people skills, attend career workshops, and take part in networking and mentorship. This special event takes place April 29th. If you missed the deadline to register last Friday, stop by the Future Center today to see if they can help you with registration.
Students will be taking up in the Drone Soccer competition on Friday, April 29, Saturday, the 30th. The competition starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 4 p.m. Friday. Saturday's competition runs from 8 a.m. to noon. Concessions will be available from 10 a.m. for competitors and fans. Come out and cheer them on as a team compete to fly with the trophy.
Now let's visit our friends in the Picture This Photography Club and see the winners for last week's photography challenge and this week's upcoming one.
Hello Westy students and staff, I'm Mariana, president of Picture This Photography Club, here to announce our bi-weekly photo competition. For this week's photo challenge, it's your choice. Submit up to 2 of your favorite photographs in black and white or color. For more information, see our Instagram page at westy.photography.club. Submit your entries through Instagram DM or Miss Montano's email by Wednesday, April 27th. Now, we proudly present the winners from our last competition. The subject was positive and negative space. Our first winner is Caden Menchu Cruz with his photo titled Chameleon Soul. Our second place winner is John Larson with his photo titled Wicked Fish. Our third place winner is Eldrick Mao with his photo titled Nature. Thanks for the amazing photos. If you want to join Picture This Photography Club, check out our Instagram for our next meeting date. We can't wait to see you.
And that's it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Edward Persichetti.
And I'm Anthony Civigliano. Have a great day and see you next time. Goodbye forever now.